Today we'll guide you through withdrawing money from Coinmarketcap. Let's dive into the simple steps for this process. To begin, open your browser and navigate to coinmarketcap.com. Sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, click on your profile at the top right corner. Next, click on Create Portfolio and select Add Transactions. Manually enter your portfolio name and click Create Portfolio. You can now add transactions to your portfolio. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to add, specify the details like price and quantity, then click Add Transaction. Explore the tabs at the top for various features like cryptocurrencies, exchanges, community, products, and learning resources. To withdraw money, consider using an app like PancakeSwap. Go to pancakeswap.finance and connect your wallet. Back on CoinMarketCap, find your account and copy the contract link under Contracts. Return to PancakeSwap and click on Trade, then swap. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to trade for BNB, paste the contract link, and connect your wallet. Select your wallet app or Coinbase account to complete the connection. Once connected, you can withdraw your money from CoinMarketCap. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful tutorials.